Banana Cream for Wrinkles. Ingredients: ripe banana, 1. Flaxseed powder, 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Almond oil, 1 tablespoon. Vitamin E oil, a few drops. Instructions: mash the ripe banana until it becomes a smooth paste. Add flaxseed powder, lemon juice, almond oil, and a few drops of vitamin E oil to the banana paste. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a consistent cream-like texture. Transfer the cream to a clean and airtight container. Benefits of the homemade face cream for wrinkles. Banana, rich in vitamins A, B, C, and E. Bananas promote collagen production and improve skin elasticity, which can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Flaxseed powder. Flax seeds are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which aid in keeping the skin hydrated and protecting it from free radical damage. Lemon juice. The natural citric acid in lemon juice acts as an exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and brighten the complexion, potentially diminishing fine lines and wrinkles. Almond oil. Almond oil is an excellent emollient that deeply moisturizes the skin, making it smoother and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging and wrinkles. When using this homemade face cream, apply a small amount to your face after cleansing and toning, preferably in the evening before bedtime. Gently massage the cream into your skin using upward circular motions. Allow the cream to be absorbed overnight for maximum benefit.